Now, just before you design your own headstock, just a couple of things to keep in mind. So if you're designing your own, just be sure to mark out where the tuning pegs go or where the tuning peg holes go. You don't want to cut your headstock too close to the tuning holes. I'd recommend keeping at least 15 mil to the center of the hole, which is the equivalent of typical spacing between tuning peg holes, for example. Always cut well outside the lines as well. You've got plenty of room to work with when it comes time to start dressing the cut you've made by sanding it back or filing. And if you don't have specialist tools, just keep the shape simple. So using hard lines rather than too many curves. A well-executed simple design often looks better than a poorly executed complex design, for example. It's also worth masking off the headstock at the top and the bottom to ensure you don't leave scratches when you're cutting out your shape. And don't just focus on staying outside the lines, also focus on keeping your saw relatively straight. Okay, so we've cut out a headstock shape, our template. What I'll do next is position that on the headstock where I want it to be and clamp that on. As we can see, that's our headstock cut out.